Good morning. Out at sunrise, it's a beautiful day out here in the middle of nature. What if you're using the law of attraction wrong and you don't even realize it because there is a little known law of the universe nobody talks about? It's called the law of invitation. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite everything that you desire into your life. Number one, understanding your role as a vibrational transmitter. Nothing in your life can happen without your invitation. You are a vibrational transmitter constantly broadcasting your signal to the universe. But when I first heard about the law of attraction, I thought that I understood it. And I thought that you get whatever you want by way of the law of attraction. But nothing was happening for me. Nothing was coming to me. And it wasn't until I learned about the law of invitation that I realized I was inviting what I didn't want to experience, and chances are you're accidentally doing the exact same thing and you don't even realize it. So, the first step to truly understand that you are a vibrational transmitter, broadcasting your specific frequency to the universe. That's the key. Every thought, every emotion, it's emitting a specific vibration, and then these vibrations attract corresponding experiences into your life. Number two, stop inviting the opposite of what you want. Every one of your desires and all of your dreams, it's two things. There's that which you desire and the lack of it. Often, even when you believe that you're thinking about what you want and desire, you're actually thinking about the exact opposite of what you want and desire. You know what you want, but you're using the law of invitation to invite what you don't want. So in other words, I want financial prosperity versus I keep having money problems. I want to attract my soulmate versus I am sick of being alone. I want to get my dream car versus I am frustrated I cannot get the money for a better car. I want to be a viral YouTuber versus I'm sick of only getting 10 views on all my videos. Number three, forget about manifesting and focus on vibrating. Whatever you focus on causes you to emit a vibration, and then these vibrations are the language of the universe. The universe doesn't speak English or Spanish or Portuguese or any other human language. It speaks in frequency and vibration. And when you focus on what you desire, or you feel stressed and worried and angry or hopeless, either way, you're inviting something into your life. You are talking to the universe at all times through vibrational frequencies that you're broadcasting. The vibration that you are emitting is inviting the things that you experience. So when you focus on the lack of what you want, you attract the lack of what you want because the law of invitation is impartial. It always accepts your invitation. And that's why I got so into success hypnosis. It really became the key to reprogram my mind. You can get my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com to reprogram your subconscious mind. It's free to use. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's pinned to the comments and in the description right there down below to turn your subconscious mind into a welcome sign to get what you want. Number four, your emotions are your inner technology that allow you to invite a new reality. Every thought vibrates, and they're all broadcasting very specific frequencies to the universe. But your emotions are the compass that tell you if you're going in the right or the wrong direction. So if you're in the middle of the wilderness, your compass tells you if you're going toward your intended destination or if you're moving in the exact opposite direction of your goal. Your emotions are your compass for creating your reality. So when you pay close attention to your emotions, you can become aware of whether you are aligning with your desires or the absence of your desires. So when your thoughts and your attitude are matching the frequency of your desires, you feel good. You feel emotions like excitement and eagerness and gratitude, joy, expectation of lots of good things. And even if what you desire hasn't come, if your thoughts and your feelings are aligned with the frequency of your desires, you're still inviting it into your reality. But if you focus on the absence of your desires, you feel anger and fear and worry and jealousy and sadness and anger and hopelessness. And in that case, you know what you want, but you're inviting what you don't want. And that's why your emotions are the compass to know if you're going in the right or the wrong direction. So I invite you to ask yourself 3 questions. What feelings and emotions am I broadcasting as vibrational frequencies right now? Number 2, do I feel the essence of my desire, or do I feel frustrated by its absence? And number 3, what am I inviting into my reality at this very moment? Now, here's how we bring it all together and make the law of attraction work by ignoring it. The law of invitation is always at work. That's the important thing. At every moment, you are inviting what you do or don't want. I admit it is super challenging to grasp that you've invited everything into your life. Initially, I almost didn't believe it. But I developed positive proof that this is true because when I had difficult things, undesirable things happen in my life, when I took responsibility and I acknowledged that I invited these unwanted experiences, that's when the things started to change quickly. And I was like, oh, wow, I actually am inviting these things in, and I can change them if I accept that I did invite these unwanted things. Because your emotions are emitting a frequency that is inviting what you want or the absence. That's the whole key. And then it starts to beg the question, what are you inviting into your experience? Because thinking about what is instead of what's coming is reinforcing our current reality. It's exactly like watching a movie that evokes an emotion, right? You're watching a movie, it's a story about what is, that creates emotions that match the movie. That's what sucks you in. You're watching a scary movie, for example, it induces fear, or you might watch an inspirational story and that creates love and gratitude. The same way, you are telling a story about your life, and when you're telling a story about what is, that creates emotions about your current reality, which invite more of your current reality. We're unintentionally inviting what we don't want by focusing on the lack. So the reason the law of attraction isn't working is very simple. We are unknowingly using the law of invitation. And in this universe, what you invite always overrides what you desire. Because you don't get what you want, you get what you are. And what you are is a vibrational frequency that is constantly inviting things that match your vibrational frequency. So then the question is, it becomes like a game. Like, can I not allow my 5 senses or anything in the outside world to control my thoughts or emotions? Because if I don't, and I stay centered on the radio bandwidth or the frequency of what I desire, then in essence, the world doesn't change me, I change the world. My bank account doesn't change me and I don't mold to my circumstances. I change my circumstances and they mold to me. And this is a law of invitation. So, wishing you a beautiful day. Sunrise out here in nature. If you enjoyed these videos, give me a comment down below. Let me know your favorite part, or let me know. What do you think? What are you inviting into your experience? Wishing you a beautiful day. Make sure you hit the subscribe, bell notification, and get my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com, pinned to the comments and in the description down below.